Good morning, students of class 8. Welcome once again on this online class. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Today I will discuss on the chapter, that is the exercise of the chapter synthetic fiber and plastic. Okay. So last day we have completed up to question number 9. Last day I have completed up to question number 9. Now today, yes, up to question number 9 was discussed. Now today I will discuss from question number 10. So question number 10, follow question number 10, give example to show that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. Okay. So to make answer to this question, you will write in this manner. The following uses of plastics prove that plastics are non-corrosive. Then number 1, in number 1 you will write that strong household materials like floor cleaner, toilet cleaner stored in plastic bottles. Number 2, laboratory reagents like acids, etc., also packed in plastic jar. Number 2. Number 3, detergents. Number 3, that is detergents, soda, etc., are packed in plastic or polythene bag. So these are the examples that are non-corrosive in nature, can be proved by the following examples. Okay. So first one, that is strong household materials like floor cleaner, toilet cleaner stored in plastic bottle, laboratory reagents like acid, etc., also packed in plastic jar, detergent, soda, etc., are packed in plastics or polythene bags. Okay. Next we will move to the question number 11. Follow the question number 11. Completed up to this. Next, follow the question number 11. Should the handle and the bristle of a toothbrush be made of same material? Is it correct? It is not correct. Okay. So the handle is made up of hard plastics and the bristle is made up of soft nylon. Okay. We can find it. Now, so the statement is not true. So explain your answer. Okay. So you will make the answer that the bristle and the handle should not be made of same materials. Okay. Because if we use the hard plastic in place in the bristle, then what happen? It will injure our gum. Okay. So, we have to use the soft nylon in the bristle and hard plastic for the parts, that means handle. So, coming to the question number 11. Question number 11. The handle of toothbrush and bristle should not be made of same material, should not be made of same material. If the hard substances used to make bristle, then it will injure or hurt us. It will injure us. So, soft nylon is used to make the bristle of the toothbrush, and hard plastics is used to make the handle. Okay. So, the handle of toothbrush and the bristle should not be made of same material, full stop. If the hard substance used to make the bristle, then it will injure us, full stop. So, soft nylon is used to make the bristle and hard plastic is used to make the handle. Okay. Is it clear? Now, complete the answer. Complete your answer. Okay, completed. Just I am repeating from the first. The handle of toothbrush and the bristle should not be made of same material, full stop. If the hard substance used to make the bristle, then it will injure us, full stop. So, soft nylon is used to make the bristle and the hard plastic is used to make the handle. Okay. Completed. Next, read the question, question number 12. Question number 12. Avoid plastic as far as possible. Comment on the advice. Okay. So, we should avoid plastic for the need of civilization, because the plastics having many bad effects in our environment. What are the effects? That means when we burn plastics, then the gas, that is carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, are evolving, and which is dangerous to the atmosphere, number one. Next one, that means when we throw the plastic bags in the drain, and it will log the drainage system. Okay, this is the number 2. And third one, it also pollute the soil also, because the absorption of the rainwater by the soil is decreases when there is the plastic, because plastic is it is resistant to the flow of the water from the upper layer to the lower layer. Okay. So, these are the bad effects. Now, what should be the steps we have to take to avoid the use of plastic? So, Number 12. So we have to comment on this, avoid plastic as far as possible. So we should avoid the use of plastics for the following reason. Number 1, it produces harmful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc. when burned. Number 2, it also causes soil pollution. Number 3, it clogs our drainage system. And you may also write the small pieces of plastics, are eaten by the aquatic animals which is also life threatening. The small pieces of plastics are eaten by the aquatic animals which is also life threatening. So these are the very basic point, but there is a lots of bad effects by plastic. So you complete this first, then it will be the remedial measures. Next it will be the remedial measure, how we can stop the use of plastic. Completed? Okay, so I will run from the first. Next, we should avoid the use of plastic by following manner, by following way. Number 1, we should avoid the use of plastics, that means use of jute bag in place of plastic bag. Use of jute bag in place of plastic bags. Number 1. Next one, we should use the use of jute bag in place of plastic bags. You will write, we should avoid, yes, we should avoid the use of plastic by the following way. Okay. Jute bags, okay, you will make a correction. We should not do the following. We will not do the following. We will not do the following to overcome bad effects of plastic. We should not do the following to overcome the bad effects of plastic: use of jute bag in place of plastic bag. Number 2, use of metal container in place of plastic bottles, etc. Number 3, use plastic as an alternate source, of energy. So, these are the necessary steps we may have to take to decrease the adverse effect of plastics. Okay. So, question number 12 is completed. Next, come to question number 13. Is it completed, everyone? Okay. Okay. So, come to the question number 13. You can make this type of question very easily. That means match the column. So, in question number 13, read the question number 13. Read the question number 13. So, question number 13, A is in the left column, it is polyester. Now, you can see that in the right column. Can you answer it? Can you answer the polyester which will be on the right side? Yes, it is with the D. So, question number 1, polyester will goes with D. There does not wrinkle easily. Next, Teflon. Teflon is goes with C, that is making of the stick non-stick cookware. Next one, that is rayon, prepared by using wood pulp, A. Number 4, nylon, it is an alternate option, that is B, used to make the parachutes, etc. Okay. So, number option A goes with D, 2 with C, 3 with A and 4 with B. So, question number next, question number 14. Question number 14 is that manufacturing synthetic fiber is actually helping conservation of forest. Comment. So, is it correct? Is the statement is correct? That is, manufacturing synthetic fiber is actually helping conservation of forest? Yes, it is partially correct. You can say it is partially correct, because we need the plastics also and we need the forest also. So, the plastics are made for the need of the civilization. Okay. So, the manufacturing of synthetic fiber is helpful in the conservation of forest, because we are using natural fiber. We are using natural fiber in formation of the rayon like that, that is the dress materials, etc. Okay. So, as the plastic the natural fiber used, so a lots of wastage is also there. Okay. So, to taking out the fibers only, a lots of wastage is there and lots of water will also be spoiled. Okay. Because the water is also needed here in a large amount. So, these are the adverse good effect that there is the use of synthetic fiber. Okay. So, with respect to these 2 points, that means as the advantage of using plastics and also how it is conserved the forest to some extent. Okay. Now, the forests are mainly cut for the manufacture of the furnitures in our home. Okay. So, it is the less, that means the dress materials or the plastics used in the formation of the bottles, it is less, but there is no alternate to prepare the bottles. Okay. Only the dress materials, that is rayon, these are produced from the wood pulp or etc. Okay. And if it is not found or if it is not manufactured, then the rise, that is the value of these natural fiber made product will be so high that we cannot get it easily or it will be highly valuable. Okay. So, these are the some advantage of manufacturing the synthetic fibers. Okay. So, you have to write this with respect to these 2 points, that manufacturing these fiber is to some extent it is conservation of forest. Why? Because we have to use the natural fiber, that means piece of wood, and for this reason the plant or trees have to be cut to get the pulp. Okay. So, as the pulp is not to get the pulp, the wood is not destroyed or the trees are not destroyed, because in that place the synthetic fiber is there, which is fulfilling our requirement. Okay. So, just make in this way the answer to this question. Okay. You may also submit the answer of this question on the e-portal. Question number 14 you will submit by writing on the e-portal, I will check it. Okay. So, only question number 14 you will submit on e-portal. Okay. So, question number 15 is left, 15 and only question number 15 is left. Okay. It will be discussed on the next class. Okay. Now, question number 15 is that the activity to show that the thermoplastic is a poor conductor of electricity. It will be discussed on the next class. Okay. Thank you everyone for staying with us. Thank you. Bye students.